Hey guys, today I want to show you how to take an image and paste it into another image and then apply a layer mask to it. So in other words, like I've got this image right here and I already have layer masks, but there's no image there. So these ones up here have the layer mask applied and you can see that it gives you, just perfect, essentially cropping of the image. So let me show you how to do that. So it's cropping within an image. So I'm going to select this image, so select all. Now please note that if you've done any adjustment layers, so for example, if I came in here and did something like, let's say I changed the hue saturation and, I'll just go do something really quickly. Okay, so let's say that's my image now, right? Um, when I go ahead and select all, you can see that there's actually two things I want to select. I want to select what's happened when I did the adjustment layer, but also the background image. So here's how you do that. Go to Edit, Copy, Merge, and it'll select the version of what you see of everything instead of just selecting this or selecting this, which is nothing. Just Edit, Copy, Merge. So then I'm going to go back to my layer and I'll go back to this image because it's got, nope, not that one. Here we are. This one, edit, paste, easy. There's the image. Okay, so let's say I decided that I wanted it to show up in the middle here. So what I do is I click on this layer and so it's going to be in the middle left and I grab by clicking on it the layer mask and I mouse down and I drag it and there it is. Now here's the cool thing. Obviously you can see the image, but let's say I wanted to move the image around and resize it. What you have to do is unlink this and this so that when I click on this with the move tool, zoom out a little bit here, make sure I'm working on that layer too. As you can see, it moves just the image around. And if I want to resize or rotate or whatever, I can do that too. If you don't do this, if you forget to click that link, what'll end up happening is when I try to move this, see it moves the whole mask, which I don't do because I'm trying to align everything properly. So just make sure you unlink everything so that it's still applying the layer mask, it's just not moving it when you work with the image. Now keep in mind if you click on this, it moves the layer mask obviously because you're clicking on that. So just make sure you are selecting the right thing. And if you select the wrong thing, just step backwards and um, you know, fix your work that way. And of course, it leaves like a layer that's sort of empty here. So my suggestion is just to go ahead and delete that layer if it's getting in the way. All these blank layers, super easy.